I'm Dr. Saumya and I'm a Micro-Endodontic specialist working at Dr. Joy's Dental Clinic. I have more than 12 years of clinical experience in the field of dentistry and have a research and academic background as an assistant professor and an associate editor in endodontics. I principally specialize and follow an evidence-based, minimally invasive microendodontic practice which focuses on diagnosing and treating routine and complex problems of the tissues in and around the tooth. As an endodontist, I provide a wide range of services such as root canal therapy, retreatments, minimally invasive instrument retrieval, resorption and perforation repairs, and microendodontic surgeries, all with minimum post-operative discomfort as a priority. While working, I like to perform all my procedures using the state-of-the-art technology such as the dental operating microscope and guided endodontics. My goal is to save painful infected teeth and see my patients recover their smiles and grab big bites of life again. You're welcome to visit me at Dr. Joy Dental Clinic and book your appointment. See you soon.